Hey everyone. So if you're a student and you're looking for a real way to make some money, like actual money, without spending a dime, then you have come to the right place. We're gonna break down 5 totally doable business ideas you can get started on with ChatGPT, like right now. Let's get into it. I mean, you've seen it, right? All those crazy headlines. Make a lakh a month with ChatGPT. Every other reel is promising you're gonna get rich overnight with AI. And look, it's super easy to roll your eyes and think, yeah, right. It's all just hype, or maybe even, a total scam. Okay, but here's the real deal. Let's just forget the hype for a second. Making money with ChatGPT, it's not some magic trick. It's not a scam. It's a skill. And honestly, that's the best part. Because you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be some big influencer. And you absolutely don't need any money to get started. All you need is a phone, some internet, and, well, the willingness to learn. All right, idea number 1. Let's start with probably the easiest and most accessible one out there. Becoming a freelance writer with ChatGPT as your secret weapon, your assistant. Honestly, this is the smartest place to start because the demand for this stuff, it's absolutely massive. And we're talking about a whole bunch of simple writing gigs. You could be doing SEO blog posts for companies, writing those catchy little product descriptions for online stores, scripting videos for YouTubers, or even ghostwriting LinkedIn posts for busy startup founders. Seriously, the opportunities are just everywhere. But, and this is the most important part, here's the secret sauce. See, anybody can go to ChatGPT and type in, "write me a blog post." The real difference, the thing that separates a kind of clunky, robotic answer from a piece of high-quality content that a client will actually pay good money for, it all comes down to one thing, the prompt. So, the skill you really need to learn is what they call prompt engineering. This is your key to unlocking amazing results every single time. And it's a simple 7-step recipe. Ready? 1. Assign a role. Tell it who to be. You're a witty marketing guru. 2. Be super clear about the task. 3. The topic, obviously. 4. Calibrate the tone. You want it friendly, professional, you decide. 5. Structure the format. Tell it you want an intro, 3 headings, and a call to action. 6. Add some style. Ask for bullet points, maybe some emojis. And finally, number 7. Define the audience. Who is this for? Seriously, this 7-step framework, it's your new superpower. And hey, if you think this is all just, theory, let me tell you a quick story about a guy named Ravi Sharma. He's a 21-year-old student, comes from a totally normal middle-class family. He didn't have some fancy new laptop or a degree in computer science. He started with literally 3 things: a second-hand phone, a free ChatGPT account, and this incredible drive to change things for his family. And what happened? Well, this just shows you the insane potential. Ravi started small, just writing simple Instagram captions. From there, he built a full-blown freelance empire. Get this, last financial year, his business, serving clients from all over the world, did a turnover of more than 1.2 crore rupees. Wild, right? And it all started with mastering that one skill, writing good prompts. Okay, let's keep this momentum going. Ideas 2 and 3 are all about becoming a social media mogul. Think about it. Instead of just mindlessly scrolling through reels for hours, what if you were the one creating that content and actually getting paid for it? So you've got 2 amazing paths you can take here. Option 1, an AI-powered Instagram page. We're talking motivational quotes, finance tips, stuff about college life. You can use ChatGPT to create a whole week's worth of content in minutes and then just pop it into Canva to make it look good. Option 2, and this is perfect if you're a little camera shy, is a faceless YouTube channel. You can get AI to write you scripts on topics that are always popular, like tech news or book summaries, use an AI voice tool, something like 11 Labs, and then just put stock video over it. And the best part, you can make money from both with brand deals, affiliate links, and once you get big enough, ad revenue. Now, a little bit of a reality check here, especially for YouTube. This isn't an overnight thing. There's a formula, and it's pretty simple, but it takes patience. It's all about consistency, uploading regularly, good SEO, so smart titles and descriptions, and of course, creating content that's actually valuable. It might take you 6 months before you see any real money, but once it starts, that growth can be absolutely explosive. All right, moving on to ideas 4 and 5. This is where it gets really cool, because we're talking about building systems that can make you money even when you're sleeping. Yep, we're diving into digital products and a really unique kind of service.
This is that amazing create once, sell forever model. Use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting to help you outline and draft all sorts of digital products you can sell on places like Gumroad or Etsy. I'm talking about things like a simple ebook, say a 30-day fitness plan, or maybe a super helpful Notion template for other students, like a study planner. Or what about a pack of professional resume templates? The whole point is you put in the work one time, and that one product can keep making you money for months, even years to come.
And for idea number 5, let's bring it right back home. I mean, hyper local. You can start a super profitable little business right there on your own college campus. Just think about it. What does every single student stress about? Writing that perfect statement of purpose for an internship, getting their resume to look amazing, or just, getting assignments done on time. You can be the person who solves that problem for them.
And here's the game plan. You use ChatGPT as your engine, your assistant in the background, doing like 80% of the work. Your job is that crucial final 20%. You polish it, you personalize it, you make sure it's perfect. And you can charge really competitive prices, like maybe $3.99 rupees for a statement of purpose, or just $29 a page for assignment help. Just spread the word in your college WhatsApp groups, maybe put a poster up in the library. Seriously, with just a few clients a week, you could easily be making an extra 10 to 20,000 rupees a month. Easy. Okay, so now you have 5 solid ideas. But hold on, before you run off and get started, we have to talk about 3 super important rules. Because avoiding these mistakes is literally the difference between someone who tries this for a week and gives up and someone who actually builds a real, steady income from it.
Rule number 1, and this is a big one. Do not, I repeat, do not just blindly copy and paste whatever the AI gives you. The value, the thing people are paying you for, isn't the AI. It's that final 20% of your own work. Your edits, your personal touch, your human insight, that's what makes it valuable.
Okay, rule number 2, don't sell yourself short. Look, it's fine to start with slightly lower prices just to get your first few clients in the door and get some good reviews. That's smart. But as soon as you have that proof that you do good work, you need to understand your value and raise your prices. Because if you're always the cheapest, people will just assume you do cheap work. Know your worth.
And the last rule, number 3, you have to pick a lane. If you try to be the writer for everyone, you'll end up being the writer for no one. You've got to find a niche and own it. Become the person for finance blogs, or the go-to for tech YouTube scripts, or the expert on SOPs for engineering students. Specializing, that's your real superpower. So there you go, 5 ideas. But it's more than that, right? It's a real plan you can follow. The skill is totally learnable, the tools don't cost a thing, and the opportunity is sitting right there in front of you. So really, there's only one question left to ask yourself. What's the very first prompt you're going to write?